Lieutenant Andrew Whitehead. He taught me rescue breathing, okay? Just like you were doing today. I almost, when I was watching the video, almost teared up a little bit because it takes me back. It was me and my lieutenant sitting in the bay on the ground, fully donned. I'm on air, he's not. And he goes over box breathing, skip breathing, and the hum breathing. Never told me what he wanted me to use. He just gave me a tool bag full of tools. I decided to use skip breathing. And I trained the skip breathing. And I'm telling you all this because, again, on January 24th of 2022, the house, the dwelling that we went in, collapsed. The house came down. Okay? I can only speak for myself, but we were all trapped. Okay? Nobody was able to key up on the radio. If you listen to the audio when the chief calls the Mayday and asking for a response, silence. There was nobody answering because I could not reach my radio. I was pinned in a prone position, okay? Now luckily, my helmet and my mask stayed on. So what was my only chance of survival? The air in my bottle, right? I trained the skip breathing and I used it for about, we'll say 14 to 15 minutes. You guys just were doing that for what, like 45 minutes? And somebody, I think, still had 1,000 PSI. I started skip breathing. The way I did it, 3 quick inhales with a 7-second exhale. And all the science that you were just taught was true, okay? I was able to maintain my composure through all the pain and, quite frankly, knowing that I was going to die, okay? We had 2 stories on us. There's not a whole lot to do when you're trapped. So it's all in your head. You gotta stay composed, and that's what I did. Burning, okay? I have 11 burns. Now I'll show you this one, just to kind of put it in perspective. That's my neck, obviously, and that's a burn. I never heard Kelsey or Kenny. I don't hear anybody. Paul, Kelsey, Kenny, nothing. It took me, 14 to 15 minutes to get them out, or get me out, excuse me.